When booking a martial arts appointment online at bodysmokes.com, make sure to use Google Chrome as your browser. Other browsers may cause complications with our software. Our system is fully automated for ease of scheduling with 60-minute sessions. Any sessions longer than 60 minutes need to be scheduled by a staff member. As you're scrolling down, you can learn more about martial arts as a service. You can learn more about the different types of martial arts that we have to offer. You can learn how to amplify your experience by clicking on this link labeled step-by-step instructions here. You can learn more about our beginner 6-month challenge by clicking on this image here. You can learn more about health benefits by clicking on this image here. You can learn more about membership discount rates by clicking on this image here. Continue to scroll down and you'll see our step-by-step instructions for scheduling a martial arts appointment online at bodysmokes.com. Right below this button that says click to text for support is our scheduling software. Make sure to follow these step-by-step instructions in order for ease of use. If you need further assistance, click this button labeled click to text for support.